Thank you, my dear. This is perfect.
Of course, Grandpa. Enjoy.
Your company warms me more than the tea.
I'm glad.
It's almost ready, dear.
It smells so good. Wow!
Let's give it a stir.
Grandma, look! I built a tower.
That's wonderful, dear. It's very tall.
Can we make it higher?
Of course.
It's so cozy in here.
The snow is so pretty.
It certainly is. A perfect night.
Grandma, is my scarf long enough?
Almost, dear. Just a bit more.
My bear likes it.
What a lovely drawing, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. It's a cat.
It's beautiful, sweetie.
Hello, I'm your friend the mountain. Thanks for the smile and hair. I feel great. Now I have trees too. What a wonderful day.
This is beautiful, dear.
Look, Grandma, I'm drawing a cat. It's wonderful.
Good morning, my love.
Good morning. It looks so peaceful out there.
What a lovely day.
Yes, it is. So beautiful.
Huh? It's snowing? Wow, so pretty. I love winter.
The snow is so beautiful today.
Yeah, and this breakfast is great.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. The snow is so beautiful today.
Yeah, and this breakfast is great.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
The bus should be here soon.
It's so cold today. I hope it comes soon.
Okay, everyone can board now.
Thank you, dear. All right, children, single file. Watch your step.
Wow, look at all the snow.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
I hope we get to build a snowman later.
Let's build a snowman. Okay, I'll make the head. I'll get sticks for arms. Snowball fight, you're on. Whee, this is fun. Best day ever.
Wow, it's really snowing.
It is. The bus should be here soon. As you can see on the board, this principle applies to all cases.
Teacher, could you explain the second step again?
This is delicious. Perfect for a snowy day. It really is. The snow makes it even better.
I'm so glad we're all here.
This is nice.
The tea is perfect.
Just like always.
These shrimp look so fresh today. I'll take a few for dinner. Excuse me, could you help me choose a cheese?
Of course. What are you looking for?
Something sharp, for a recipe.
This one is perfect. It's our sharpest. Great, I'll take it. Thank you.
The snow is really coming down.
It is a real winter wonderland.
It is.
Here is the quarterly report.
Thank you. Let's review it.
Of course.
This chocolate cake looks wonderful. I'll take it.
Excellent choice. I'll get that wrapped up for you.
Here you are. Thank you so much.
Everything here looks so good.
It certainly does.
The snow makes everything so magical. It really does, and the lights are so beautiful.
Fresh pastries here.
The snow is so peaceful tonight.
It is a perfect night for tea.
I'm glad we have this time.
It smells wonderful already, just like you taught me.
This burger is so good. Yeah, the fries are perfect too. Let's get some more. Good idea.
Ah, perfect on a night like this. So peaceful.
Smelling wonderful. Perfect, just al dente. I brought you some hot tea.
Thank you. It smells wonderful.
You're welcome.
This is perfect.
These peppers look perfect. The bread is almost ready. It smells wonderful, just like home.
Dinner's ready. Here's the chicken. This pasta is delicious.
It really is. Everything is wonderful. A perfect meal. Here you go.